Let's remove some dandruff.
I know, it's been a while. If you guys don't know, my name is Taylor. I'm a licensed natural hair specialist, and this is my business, The Tailored Hair Collection. You can check me out at 𝗙𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 subscribed to my channel, but also to my email list. That's where you're gonna get all of the information on how to take care of your hair, as well as when I'm accepting appointments. Now, this appointment specifically is a scalp therapy treatment, which is where I'm gonna go in and clean her scalp. So what you guys are watching right now is our first appointment, okay? But she since then came multiple times, and I have filmed each appointment so that you guys can see how well her hair and her scalp is doing since becoming one of my clients. But you can do this from the comfort of your home, and I have created a list. I will link it in the description box, and we're going to get more into that in detail in our second appointment. I've been able to track her journey since coming to me and how well her scalp has been doing since using the products from the Taylor Hair Collection, as well as this list that I've put together for you guys. And yes, you may say, hey, why her scalp so dirty? She should just do this herself. She could just wash her hair. Listen, it takes expertise, okay? It takes someone else sometimes looking at it who knows more about hair to just put you in the right direction. And so since she's been coming to me, her scalp has not looked like this at all. We've been seeing so much progress. we just ended with a nice braid to the back, because you know all of our treatment services come with a nice blow dry. So if you're going to go get you some protective styles like braids or twists, your hair is going to be ready after getting one of our treatment services. She was wearing a headband wig, so I just braided it into 2. Beautiful hair, thick, healthy. We didn't do a trim this time because she had just got one, so we're not gonna do a trim until her next appointment, but her scalp is clean, okay? Clean scalp, clean hair, perfect, like literally perfect. Make sure you drop any questions you have below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video.